In a car crash, a short rescue time is the key to secure someone's life. According to research, 15 to 20 minutes is the golden time window to rescue a seriously injured person. Every year, there's over 500,000 crashes on the road, most of them on the highways. Not every stretch of highway is equipped with CCTVs. Car crashes that occur at CCTV blind spots might lengthen the response time as responsible personnel could not be notified immediately. Spot the similarity for these crashes? Indeed, for critical accident, vehicles are most likely to be an impact on highway dividers, and often the case the driver involved will suffer from serious injuries. Now I introduce to you our solution, HOT. HOT are terminals being placed on a highway divider designed to trigger a rescue message when there is any significant impact being detected. There are cables attaching two terminals being placed apart at a distance on the divider. When a car hits the cable before hitting the divider, the cable will be pulled and trigger the predefined response to be sent from the terminal. NB-IoT devices could last 10 years without a single charge and have strong coverage over large areas. By utilizing these characteristics, HOT could be installed at highways, even at the most remote areas. Using NB-IoT connectivity, the terminal can send the incident severity level based on the impact and the location of the incident quickly to the nearest highway rescue team. We can shorten the rescue time significantly and gather valuable data on the highway to identify danger zones in order to perform more precaution strategies accordingly.